building back home from afar is not easy. So welcome to another episode of How to Build in Zambia While Living in the Diaspora, right here on Building Dreams in Africa. My name is Kelvin Piri and I'm glad you could join me. In today's video, I want to take you with me on a journey right into the heart of Lusaka to a breathtaking location in an area called Balmoral. We're heading to a stunning site that consists of two plots, each measuring 50 by 50 meters, which makes up about an acre in total. But what really caught my attention was not just the size, it was the beauty of this land. Visual drone footage tracking the car driving through the area. As we drive in, the drone follows us along these well-maintained gazetted roads. It's clear that this area is developing fast, and the views, just look at them. The roads are in surprisingly good condition with power lines already available, making it easier for anyone wanting to build. In the distance you can see Chilanga cement, and beyond that, the rolling mountain ranges that stretch towards Kafue. It's absolutely stunning. Drone circling above, showcasing 360 degrees view of land and mountains. The purpose of capturing these aerial shots was to give you a full view of the surrounding beauty. Wherever you turn, it's mountains, green valleys and open skies. And right here, as we approach the plots, you will notice beautiful homes already being built nearby. This tells you that this is not just land, it's a community in the making. Self-exploring the land together with those showing me the beacons and sharing more about the plot. Come along as I walk the land with friends who are showing me this beautiful plot and helping point out the beacons. To be honest, in all my years visiting land across Zambia, I have never seen a more beautiful piece of land than this. This is one of those rare finds that makes you pause and dream a little. So let's explore together and see if this could be the place where your dream begins.
The land is actually on a slope, and I've got some drone footage that you can actually see. It's surrounded by mountains, and below, down where we're going, there is a stream. So the stream is actually in the plot, and we will look at the some of the beacons that we are looking at. I've got the drone, so that's showing you where we are. So this piece of land is about 50 by 50, so we're getting two. So it's about 200 square meters, 2,000 square meters. So we're getting an acre up to the stream. And this is so beautiful. I have to walk carefully. So there is a beacon for one of the
Okay, we're back in the sky now, and just beyond the mountains you'll notice a tall structure rising above the landscape. That's a multi-story building reportedly belonging to the Ministry of Agriculture. I've heard some interesting stories about it. Apparently it's been under construction for several years. Not sure how true that is, but let me know if that's correct. As the drone glides over the towering hills, you can spot scattered buildings emerging. Clear signs that this area is growing. Like I mentioned earlier, it's a community in the making. Some houses are still under construction, but there's visible activity and momentum. Now, between the road on your left and the one on your right, there's a stretch of about 100 meters. Each of these plots in this area measures 50 by 50 meters. And as you can see, the land gently slopes towards the river. It wasn't easy landing the drone here. I struggled a bit due to the wind, which I suspect is stronger because we're in a valley. But hey, stick with me now as we take a walk across the land with my friends who are showing me the beacons. This is the Balmoral site right here in Lusaka.
Look at the stream. How big is the stream?
Does
it have water? Does it?
At the moment it's dry, but it usually has water. So the first beacon is right there where the boys are seated. There's one beacon this side. This side. Fish. Yes.
Where?
This side.
Just where
Up
that house
here.
is?
Yes, up here. There's a beacon here. Then we have another beacon
one there.
Then the other one there. Can you see it?
Oh yeah, that one.
Yes.
So from there to across the stream,
Yes.
that's about 2,000 you said?
Yes. There is a 50 by 50. This is the first 50 by 50. And then
50 by 50, yeah.
yes. So you've seen that other one there.
Yeah, just by the corner of the big house.
Of the big house. So the beautiful house that you've been viewing, the one you're asking for,
Yes.
the time we're coming, is right here.
Right there, yes.
Yes. This is the house.
Yeah.
For our neighbor.
Okay.
And then earlier on you asked about the neighbor encroaching.
Oh, somebody, yes, the
yes.
block.
So they just put these blocks.
Yeah.
Their plot is that one.
So they're building something there?
Yes, they want to build their house there.
Oh, the house there?
Yes, so they just
So
put
their
blocks.
access road is on the other side?
The other side.
So we are this side?
Yes, we are this
Okay.
side. You are this side. And then if you look at those plans and the title deeds that were shared, you see that our plot numbers are 36 and 37.
36 and 37, yes.
So we are on number 36 and we're going to
number 37. We were getting confused with the numbering and I was not sure. But I think to being here today, kind of, because I have a reference point, which is a corner of that.
Yes.
And that's where the beacon is.
Correct.
And the other one there.
Yes. And then our neighbor's plot is 35, which is
35 is that one.
Yes, this is 36.
Yes.
And we're going to 37.
Okay, let's go to 37.
Okay.
Because I mean, I was getting confused. There's an uncompleted structure.
Oh, okay.
So we were thinking maybe that's part of it.
No.
Okay.
No.
No. But there is no road here. You said there is a road somewhere.
Yes, they have the road the other side.
Because when I look at the plan, actually this is supposed to be a corner plot.
Correct.
So what can somebody do with the river? It doesn't. Water doesn't stay in there. Does it run?
So this river feeds the other end, because if you see, it's on the higher point from this side.
Yes.
This is where the floor is.
Okay.
As it goes down,
yes,
it stabilizes.
Okay.
Yeah. So what you can do with this river, you can actually block it.
Create a dam.
Build it up.
Yeah.
Reserve water.
Yes.
For about 3 meters.
Yes.
Then the access water for 3 meters
can overflow. Oh, yeah. This is good plot. Good piece of land.
Okay.
Yes, I'm excited. Really, really excited. You have very beautiful views.
Yes.
Just the whole area here is just amazing.
So this is the other beacon. So we're now entering in the next plot.
The next plot. So we're going to see the
37.
Beacon as well.
Yes.
37. Wow. This is really, really beautiful. Are you surprised that I'm excited? I don't know. I've heard a lot about this piece of land.
Oh.
And I said I have to go and see it myself.
And You've done well, actually.
Yeah.
To come through. You're drilling a borehole or something.
It's an exercise.
Gosh.
It's an exercise.
And all the calories in the world.
Yeah. It's really quite high. It's...
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, because that's the other one that we normally see. Because I think Gilbert gave me a location here. Yeah.
So the next beacon is up here. I've never seen any piece of land like this in Zambia. Because I think everywhere I've gone, it's flat.
It's flat. But this, wow.
So the other 50 is straight on with this fence this side.
Okay, so the beacon is somewhere here?
Yes.
Ah. Wow. This is nice. This is nice. So people live in there?
Yes, they do. They do. Actually, we'll pass the other side so that you see the place.
Yeah, let's do that. Is there a route somewhere?
Yes, there is.
Which way?
That way.
Okay, let's have a look.
Let's go.
Yeah.
But we can't walk there. I'm tired.
Oh, we need to drive.
Yes, we can drive there.
We can drive up there.
Sure.
So, people of the internet, as they say, this is a beautiful piece of land. If you are in the diaspora, this is what we want. You have to buy pieces of land like this piece of land, because we can't let it go off our hands. But I wanted to show you what you can get. As I said, I've never seen a beautiful piece of land like this in Zambia. Everywhere I've been, it's so flat. But this, you look at the mountains, you look at, oh my God, this is beautiful. So if you're looking for land, get in touch, let me know. And yes, this is Building Dreams in Africa. We'll continue as we go around to show you more.
And as the drone rises one last time, take a moment to soak this in. Right below us, two beautiful homes standing proudly on the hills, and just beyond them, the gentle stream weaving its way along the edge of the plots. It's not just a source of water, it's a symbol of life, of peace, and of potential. This isn't just land. It's a vision. It's a reminder that Zambia is full of hidden gems waiting for people like you to dream bigger and build boldly. Whether you're in the diaspora or right here at home, this land speaks. It speaks of possibility, of beauty, and of a future rooted in nature. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. If this inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Building Dreams in Africa. Because together, we're not just building structures, we're building dreams.